4 days, it's New Year's. New Year, new you. We talked about it yesterday. No. What do you mean? You can't tell Chevy he's got to exercise after the first of the year. That's not nice. What? Are you? Yeah, he's got his winter coat. He didn't put on weight. That's mean. He doesn't get human food. He just eats his dog food. What'd you call me? You called me an a-hole. Or are you talking about the dog? What? What? Really? Are you my best buddy then? What? Well, he's laying down resting. He's not lazy. Oh, look at him. He's such a good boy. He's not a good boy? Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Hey. Are you